State asida popular government ama leirabanina Delhi da Pangchat Chatpagi Mahutta Awaba Mayoknariba Meeyamgi Mateng Pangbaromda Mai Onsinbana Achumba Oigani haina Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijamna Fongdokre Wafam asi numit ini chupma chathagada ba kun manga suba Manipur State Dental Conference hogdokpagi thauramda mahangna fongdokibani Conference adu Lamphel Pata Leiba Indian Medical Association gi holda Indian Dental Association Manipur State Branch na RIMS ki Dental College ka khutsam naraga senbani Conference hogdokpagi thauramda Functional President Dr. B. Gokul Chandra amasung Directorate of Health Services ki Director Dr. N. Hemanta Kumar na President Member Singh Oiki Loinana Indian Dental Association Manipur State Branch ki Dr. Dental College RIMS ki Dr. Singsu Sarukyaki Souvenir amasu fongba yauna pangthokiba thauram aduda MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam nahai Hauzik Manipur da oiriba fibam masina miyam da awaba amadi khudong chadaba kaya mayokna halle State asigi National Highway singda free movement leitaba maramna sel changna flight ta chathok chasin tawnari masida sunatana lanjinariba singna relief camp ta leibagi awaba kaya su mayoknaribani Haujikti state asida popular government ama semlabanina Delhi da Pangchat Chatpagi Mahutta Awaba Mayoknariba Meeyamgi Mateng Pangbaromda Mai Onsinbana Achumba Oigani Lamdam masa ing tappa pamdaba masibu thugaina naba hotnariba singasi kanano haiba miyamna soidana khangani yaningdaba kaya leirabasu hingsa tawbugi mahutta wari sanabana achumba oigani kanagomba amatana khutta lo paiba yade maramaduna leiriba lengak asina miyamgi khallaga thabak tawrakani haibagi thajaba lei haina MP Bimol Akoijamna makataki
Best part of the development is that the embarrassing and very absurd situation of people running to Delhi, to and fro, as if they don't have the will, squabbling among themselves. That has come to an end. I think that's the positive part of the development. We have been thankfully safe from the embarrassment of our leaders running to Delhi. They don't care about what's going on in this state. The fact that people have not been able to get access to public facilities like airports or the highways. There are thousands of people are in IDA, relief camps, all these things, as if these don't matter. Their own formation of government is seemingly more important. So that very embarrassing situation of running here and there for that one, that has thankfully come to an end. Hopeful that they will be able to work against that. But against all odds, I expect the government to stand up for the people of the state and defend its constitutional authority and right as a constituent part of the Union of India.